Today we're going to talk about the Webb 30cm hand push mower. My name is Adam Woolcott, I'm an award-winning gardener, and we're going to tell you everything that you're going to find inside the box. This is everything you'll find in the box, starting with the main part of the mower and the cable ties that are there for safety reasons and shouldn't be removed until the machine has been fully assembled. Also, we have the instruction manual here as well. Very important to read that thoroughly before using the machine. We have the collection bag, we have the handles, we have the handle grips, and we have the fixing screws. The first thing we're going to do is construct the grass box by inserting one side of the frame into the base of the frame and then repeat on the opposite side. Now we're going to insert the crossbar to secure both sides of the frame. Then, with the Webb logo facing forward near the handle, we're going to put the cover over the top of the frame and pull down like so, and then start securing the fasteners on the outside from the inside out, clipping onto the frame and securely keeping the bag in place, working your way all the way round until the bag is fully attached to the frame. Now we're going to insert the lower part of the handles into the lawnmower by lining up the little hole here with the lug on the inside. So when attaching the middle handles, you may just need an extra helping hand. What we're going to do now is just tighten up the screws and finally secure the lower handles to the middle handles. So now we're going to attach the top handles to the lawnmower. Firstly, we're going to attach the handle grip. Push onto the end of the frame until you meet resistance and then push down on a hard surface to drive that handle grip fully home. Now we're going to place this onto the end of the mower, insert the screw through the top, then attach the bolt on the back, tighten up until the frame is secure and solid. Now the machine has been fully assembled, it's safe to cut the cable ties on both sides. You have two options with your Webb push mower. You can, if you want, just cut with the grass box off for rough areas of grass or meadow cutting, but for your finer areas of lawn, you may just want to attach the grass box like so to clip those clip-ins and give you that pristine, absolutely gorgeous look. We're now going to run through the fantastic features of this lawnmower, starting with these super sturdy handles and these really comfortable grips. When we come down to the base of the lawnmower, it has a roller. That's going to give you those incredible stripes, giving you that professional looking lawn. You can easily adjust the height on this mower as well, going from 13mm to 23.5mm, and also we have an 18-litre collection box. And if you don't want to run up huge electricity bills, this is the mower for you. If you're worried about emissions in the environment, this is emissions free, and I tell you what, this mower could also help keep you fit. This is one of many of our Webb Garden Power products. For any questions, please leave a comment below or please subscribe for more gardening tips.